Howdy, stranger.
What?
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor.
You're a friend of Joe Swanson? Would you like to see my slug?
No.
Hello, sir. That's very nice.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, sir.
Who are you?
Hello. Who are you?
Hello, cutie pie.
Who are you?
John Kimball.
What?
Just do what I tell you.
Who are you?
John Kimball. You're close.
You're who?
Give them to me. Now. John Kimball.
You're who?
John Kimball.
I can't hear you. You need to speak up.
John Kimball. I'm Detective John
Hello,
Kimball.
sir.
I'm Detective John Kimball.
Hello, sir. What's going on?
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that
Hello,
she's
sir.
here.
What's going on?
Where is she?
Is that fucking sweet? Is that awesome?
Fuck you, asshole.
Fuck you, asshole.
Hey, what's up?
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Good. Who is your daddy and what does he do?
You what?
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
My daddy's Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he would do it like there's no tomorrow.
Bullshit! Come on,
Oh,
don't
man.
bullshit me. You know you're lying, and you expect me to believe you?
You what?
You know you're lying.
I'm not lying. Arnold's my daddy.
Bullshit!
Fuck you.
Fuck me. Come on. Balls, balls, balls. Come on.
You're a fucking choir boy compared to me! A choir boy!
You want to fuck with me?
Big balls. What are we talking about? Big balls.
Who is your
Balls,
daddy
balls, balls. I got
and what
big
does he
balls.
do?
Hello?
Who is your daddy and what
Do
does
I?
he do?
Who are you?
Who is your
I'm
daddy
Josh.
and what does he do?
Do I?
Who is your daddy and what does he do?
Who is my daddy and what does he do?
Yes!
My father's in the mafia and he kills people.
Come on, don't bullshit me.
Dude, why would I bullshit?
Trust me. You know
Trust
you're
me,
lying.
seriously. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. My daddy's a carpenter and I'm a musician.
I don't play that game.
Do I?
I don't know.
I don't play that game.
Take out the papers and the trash, or you don't get no spending cash. If you don't scrap that kitchen floor, you ain't gonna rock and roll no more. Yakety yak. Don't talk back.
Sarah Connor?
Where is she? Where is she?
Do I?
I'm a friend of Sarah Connor. I was told that she's here.
You're a friend of Sarah Connor.
Yes!
Yeah.
Okay, look, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a friend of Ray Ray, and I'm totally trashed right now. So you're gonna have to work with me here. All right, bear with me. What's the deal? What's the deal?
What's your real name?
My name is Josh.
I want to know what's going on, and I want to know right now.
You wanna know what?
Who is it this time? What's going on?
Look, I'm a dirty hippie that's addicted to every drug available to any man.
You give me the names of your drug suppliers and distributors, and I'll tell the judge what a nice cooperative killer you are.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Affirmative.
Hang on, let me find Ray Ray. He ran off. Hang on a second. Okay, he's disappeared. I don't know where he's at.
Yes. No
Yeah.
deal.
Fuck you! Suck my dick, you fucking piece of shit! Hey, What?
Fuck you! Suck my dick, you fucking piece of shit!
I can't understand.
Yeah, I can hear you, man. You're fucking breaking up.
Like I can't.
Suck my
You're breaking up like a motherfucker.
Fuck you! Suck my dick, you fucking piece of shit!
So what? So what? So what? You can't do shit, bitch.
Motherfucker!